Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here with Weather in a Minute on this Sunday, the 19th of January. And while we do have a system going through the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states today, we have something bigger for the Deep South, especially along the Gulf Coast. You have to remember these are areas that sometimes can go for many years without seeing any kind of accumulating snow or ice. We have winter storm watches up for much of central and will then and also into southern Georgia, back through Alabama, mostly south of Birmingham, and central and southern Mississippi into Louisiana, including New Orleans and Lake Charles. In Texas, we're talking about Houston and San Antonio having winter storm watches up. And the snow may not sound like a lot for those of you who live in snow country further north, but a couple of inches in this area is a big deal. And 4 to 6 inches that you see across the interior, just to the north of Houston, and up in to that part of Texas, across a good chunk of central and southern Louisiana, right along the I-10 corridor. This is a big deal, and the snow amounts could amount to several inches extending all the way through Alabama and into Georgia. This is going to be for Tuesday into Tuesday night and early Wednesday. And as we check out, I'm going to use the European model here, where we see all this bitter cold air that's moved southward and a coastal low develops. You see it there well off the coast of the Gulf Coast of Texas, but snow breaks out because of all that bitter cold air that's pressed down right to the immediate Gulf Coast. And then we're going to see this area extend eastward. That's Tuesday morning, by the way. And then as we move into Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning, everything sort of shifts to the Carolinas. The northern fringe of this might reach southeasternmost Virginia for a short time before it heads on out to the east. This will not be impacting the weather further up the coast of the northern mid-Atlantic and up into New England.